National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Camden County, Gloucester County, Central Newcastle County, Burlington County, Southern Monmouth County, Northern Atlantic County, Ocean County, Salem County, Northern Cumberland County, until 5:15 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rains continue from an area of thunderstorms over Burlington, Camden, Central Newcastle, Gloucester, Northern Atlantic, Northern Cumberland, Ocean, Salem, and Southern Monmouth counties. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Wilmington, Toms River, Asbury Park, Bridgeton, Gloucester City, Long Branch, and Vineland. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown. Driving into flood waters could cost you your life, or at the very least, thousands of dollars of vehicle damage. Nearly half of all flash flood fatalities are auto-related. Turn around, don't drown. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Turn around, don't drown. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground.